Hello and welcome back to Next Gen AI and Learning. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the topic, coding skills not required, how AI is shaping the new tech landscape. Think of it as a sneak peek into the world of tomorrow. So let's journey together into the future of AI in education and discover what it might have in store for us. Yes, with the advent of advanced AI tools, it is becoming increasingly possible for individuals to engage in coding-related tasks without having a deep understanding of traditional programming. AI-driven code generation and automation tools are designed to simplify the coding process, making it more accessible to those without formal coding expertise. Here are some key aspects of how AI is enabling this. 1. AI-powered code generators. Tools like GitHub Copilot, based on OpenAI's Codex, can generate code snippets and entire functions based on natural language descriptions. This allows individuals to describe what they want in plain language, and the AI generates the corresponding code. 2. Low-code and no-code platforms. These platforms provide a graphical user interface for building software, allowing users to create applications through drag-and-drop components and visual workflows. They significantly reduce the need for traditional coding, making application development accessible to non-coders. 3. Automated debugging tools. AI-driven tools can help in identifying and fixing bugs in code. This reduces the need for in-depth knowledge of debugging and allows individuals to maintain and improve software with minimal coding knowledge. 4. AI-assisted development environments, IDEs. Modern IDEs, equipped with AI features, can provide intelligent code completion, suggestions, and refactoring tools that help in writing code more efficiently, even for those with limited experience. 5. Educational bots and tutors. AI-driven bots and interactive tutorials can teach coding concepts in a more personalized and accessible manner, catering to individuals who are new to programming. 6. Customizable scripting and applications. Some software applications allow users to automate tasks or add functionality through simple scripting interfaces, which are often aided by AI to simplify the scripting process. 7. Collaboration with AI experts. In a team setting, individuals with limited coding knowledge can collaborate with AI experts or use AI tools to contribute to software projects. However, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. Understanding limitations. AI tools are not perfect and can generate incorrect or inefficient code. A basic understanding of coding principles is still helpful to evaluate and refine AI-generated code. Ethical and security concerns. Relying on AI for coding raises questions about the ethical use of AI-generated code and potential security vulnerabilities. Learning fundamentals is beneficial. While AI can assist in coding, having a fundamental understanding of coding concepts can greatly enhance one's ability to use these tools effectively and creatively. In summary, AI tools are making coding more accessible to a wider audience, enabling individuals to perform coding tasks without extensive programming knowledge. However, a basic understanding of coding principles can still be beneficial in effectively leveraging these AI tools. And there we have it, our journey through the future of AI in education. It's an exciting time, and the possibilities are endless. We hope you found this peek into the future as thrilling as we did. Don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing content. Keep dreaming about the future, stay informed, and continue learning. Until next time, goodbye, and keep exploring the wonders of futuristic work through AI. Also, don't forget to take a peek at the description below. We've packed it with extra resources, reading assignments, and some cool AI stuff to help you understand these concepts even better. It's like the treasure chest of AI knowledge, and it's all there waiting for you. Remember, the world of AI is vast and constantly evolving, and we're here to help you navigate it. So, stay curious, keep learning, and let's unlock the potential of AI together. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video with a new topic. Keep exploring.